Make a great choice today with the 2016 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, power sunroof, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.